This is a number 12 meat grinder setup. This is made to fit on the back of the number 12 mixer. Real quickly, I'll show you the parts that go together. This is the worm, goes in here like this, we call it. The blade fits right there. Cutting edge face out. And this is the plate. This is a medium or medium coarse plate. Goes together like this. Good to go. If you need one of these, check your sponsor. And I want to show you just a real quick maintenance tip. A couple things you need to do. Use food grade oil, or in this case a little beeswax. You want to wax or oil this shaft right here. You want to wax or oil this post as well as this shaft right here. Don't want it to rust, and you just want to keep it going and maintained throughout the year. So that's all you got to do right there. Real simple, real easy. Thanks for watching. Little thumbs up, please. Like, share, subscribe. Support this video as well as your sponsor. Yeah. Get out there. Cook your own food. Have a great day. Oh, and a shout out. Rock Maple Butcher Block. Made in America. This one here is at least 50 years old. Sponsor right there. Yeah. This is a number 12 hub on a 20-quart Hobart or Burkle grinder. You remove the plug like this. Recommended maintenance is food grade oil. In this case, I'm actually using some beeswax. I want to put a little bit on this screw right here. I want to put a little bit in the hole here, and a little bit inside this shaft right here. Okay. Ready to go. The clip, guide clip. This is going to get you the right angle. Plastic line, stainless steel, very high quality. Goes right over the knife like this. Doesn't scratch the knife, and now you got the angle. Okay, that's what you need. And then a whetstone like this. 3000, 8000 ideal whetstone, cleaning brick on the end, rubber foot. Wow, that's the stuff right there. End grain maple butcher block. Wonderful surface for cutting, chopping, and cooking on.